the trumpets!
Stop saying that.
Bring on the trumpets! Bring on the trumpets!
I didn't say anything.
Trumpets!
Treat your dry hair to the conditioning power of new Elvive Re-Nutrition, L'Oreal's first hair care service enriched with royal jelly. It's a first. The conditioning formula nourishes even dried out hair. 90% of women agreed their dry hair felt replenished. Hair feels silky and full of bounce. New Elvive Re-Nutrition enriched with royal jelly from L'Oreal Paris.
Because you're worth it.
And now wake up to replenished hair with new Elvive Re-Nutrition Night Serum.
Yummy cheese for good fun. Dairylee. It's never grown up. And the fun goes on with Dairylee Dunkers and Dairylee strip cheese. Dairylee.
You can't get to the top without exercise and training. But none of that matters unless you're built in the right stuff. That's why I include Kellogg's Bran Flakes for breakfast. Packed full of fibre, it's good hearty stuff. Hey, it could help you too.
Oi! Hoi! Race ya!
On your bike. Are you built on Kellogg's Bran Flakes?
Na body fad, na tuaire mi fad, an taction fad, an an elise fad, agus ábhíonn cleachtan chomá, lumsa darach néide show sport, gachaíine ag leabhart se hoch ar TG Ceathair.
Shagadain big darags and show sport, Femoration Henrog Tachtagown Lahod of Flagon, Sahar, TG Ceathair, and Ishtidach, Kjol on Gree.
Is Misha Allenburg, is Kjolter, agus fila óran me as Bala Clea. Tá mé gul Horace, a chivnín óran, agus star stoicala acris, muidig achta héan. Tá sólagum óran a scríomh, ag Gero an Ashtar seo, a chivnín an Ebert Jarnach, a rinne fair seo, da dír.
Out from the Suey town of Derry, for Australia bound, if we didn't all drown in the marks of our fetters we carry. In our rusty iron chains we sighed for our wains, and the good women we left in sorrow. As the mainsails unfurled, our curses we hurled on the English and thoughts of tomorrow.
Ní Rome ach nímlína deag déis nuair a hasí na stoilcanna acris in naidí gachta héan. Bhí me choní sa Donwarrig agus ba an príomhscéal an sin ar an telefís agus na nuachtáin. Ach nuair a thug mé cuairt ar an bhratan an bhliain chéine, ris sé lom cé có difriúil a bhí insint an scéal an sin. Chun níos mó áileach faoin treibh sé tragóideach sin, tá mé gul bulla le Joe Austin a bhí mar ifigeal pras de hin féin ag an nám chalóideach seo is stair na hÉireann.
Joe Austin, you're from this area, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
A couple of streets away.
Yeah, just round the corner.
Yeah. So you would have known some of the hunger strikers personally.
Well, I knew all of the hunger strikers because during the hunger strike, the 81 hunger strike, my job was to go to the prison every morning and to speak to the prisoners who were preparing to go on hunger strike, and then to go back in the afternoon and speak to those who were actually on hunger strikes. And you also need to bear in mind that when we talk about prisoners, we're talking about residents of this street and residents of the next street. So they're not people who came from the moon. They were the neighbours of, or the cousins of, or the sons of, or indeed the daughters of people who lived in these areas. So you had a situation, for instance, where people who didn't support republicanism supported people in prison because they were their neighbours, or their neighbours' children. I mean, for instance, where we're standing now, people gathered every night and said the rosary in support of the prisoners, and also praying for a resolution of the prison conflict.
Van Diemen's Land is hell for a man to live out his life there in slavery, where the climate does roar and the gun makes the law. Neither wind nor rain care for bravery. 20 years have gone by and I've ended my bond, and my comrades go swap behind me. About a rebel I came on, and I'll die the same. On the cold winds of night you will find me.
What was the effect when people like Bobby Sands and Francis Hughes, when they actually started dying, like?
Well, from the families, it was just horrendous. You know, when someone is dying and they're dying prematurely, and they're dying under these circumstances, it absolutely destroys a family. And the nature of their deaths, the prolonged nature of their deaths, watching someone who's gradually going blind, who's gradually becoming deaf, who has a weight loss of many, many stones over a short period, and has a determination and all of that, you know, it was a tragedy to watch it happen, because it didn't need to happen.
Chasí presúnaí phoblachtánach agóid na plúide an 1976 tar éis do rialtas na Brat na Stadas Categóra Specialta a bhaint ó presúnaí phoblachtánach. Chiallaí seo go chur ghlacu leis na fér agus mná seo mar chorpaí. Ní ghlacu phoblachtánnaí leis seo go deo. Ach nuair a tháinig Margaret Thatcher I réim an 1969 chuaigh go naib in olcas a ríist.
There can be no question of political status for someone who is serving a sentence for crime. Crime is crime is crime. It is not political, it is crime.
I am a proud young Irishman in Ulster's hills. My life began a happy boy. Through green fields ran, I kept God's and man's laws. But when my age was barely 10, my country's wrongs were told again by tens of thousands marching men, and my heart stirred to the cause. So I'll wear no convict's uniform, nor meekly serve my time, that Britain might brand high Ireland's fight 800 years of crime.
Cyril Bobby Sands as a diach in asta tihiach the díalseach racúl tuisgat vel firste. Wag sé go Twinbrook, áite dossier níos, agus batan seo is sean org nivréirjenta an lár inad pobl a dólam sé agus a chan sé árán don chéadúr. Bhfuil mé le Shane Walsh a dása níos le Bobby agus a ró aithne wai ige
Céidir bhfuil mé le Bobby fí much na casna, agus fí me sé bliana déag, agus fí Bobby ach bliana déag, agus is Kevin Lum nuair a chuirí mé isteach an san prison don céadúr, fí mé rud bog cailte, agus is Kevin Lum Bobby just a siúil thugam leis an Belfast Standard, agus chuir sé a lábh amach le craithú lom, agus bhí sé I miniú dú na do's and the don'ts for do den seal a prison. And sort far of on na bhí sé inta Larnac and some crack agus bhí an dúlaige and some sport ní rúcad agin ag soccer begrá leis golamach agus soccer amart ahanúr agus hosí sé fólam na Gaelic agus wuscal an sammeige and san changa.
Protesters threatened, tortured, maimed, divisions nurtured, passions flamed, outrage provoked, rights caused defamed. This is the conqueror's way.
Could you remember what he took, nor hold to go Bobby, a goal from Stoke, Akrish Noor, has it?
Well, Kai me ran, not grow into Sir Bayoran. Near Clackmudge and Kenu, the Guller and Darna Stalk Akrish, Brimwudge Eracht, Co Gallu the Can Leg and Oil, Les Nahuderi Shins of Frizzun, Acne Rusem Daladache. It's given Lum in Yana Stalka, Fatud and Assassini, Fishira, Garwin Assassini. And Tridge and Lesson Stalk and some pages nor Yale shade status Polachul doing Egan Armshin August Fur Jane or Boss Mar Yeller Shin a Kyle Shade and Kogu and Shin Fin assassin Iraq or ordinary criminals of any Egan Armshin August Nero Shade Sass the status of which doing but Husband and Eberch are in Bobby August Nostalg Goriala anything but ordinary criminals of Egan Armshin so
time has come to part my love, and I must go away. I leave you now, my darling girl. No longer can I stay. My heart, like yours, is breaking. Together we'll prove strong.
As fada an stair atá ag an Stoke Akrish sa strachelt as san séirse na héireann. Go háirithe an lídeag seachtug nuair a chuí Thomas Ashe duine a chrid an éirí amach na casca nuair a chuí sé ar Stoke Akrish as san stadas politiúil agus fuair sé bás inné don na sasnaí bathú éigne a dhéanamh éir. Ón am sin, bhí moll mór Stoke na Akrish eile an, ceann an lídeag 8 san áirimh. Ag ollscoil na Banrína, bhfuil mé leis an Olive Richard English a scríomh go farsing ar an tréimhse seo is stair na héireann.
So Richard, the 1981 hunger strikes, they came straight on the back of a previous hunger strike. What was the difference between those two?
The 1980 hunger strike, which ran from October to December, had 7 Republicans on it and had been campaigning for the demands the Republican prisoners wanted, in other words, wanting to be recognised as political prisoners rather than as criminals. And when it came to the end of that strike, one of the strikers was very near death, and the leader of that strike decided that what was apparently on offer from the British was worth taking a risk on and settling for, and they called the strike off. In the weeks after that, it became clear to the Republican prisoners that what they had thought they were going to get was not being given to them, and they felt that they had effectively been duped or tricked at the end of the first strike, and the decision was taken, therefore, to embark on a second strike. So in a sense, the second strike was a more determined one, a more resolute one, and maybe a more uncompromising one. And I think that Bobby Sands, the first hunger striker to die, was well aware at the start that there was a likelihood that this would be a strike to the death.
Our vow, it is eternal, and will bring you dreadful pain. But if our demands aren't recognized, don't call me back again.
In Yale law is dagad ar Stoke Akrish agus é cuinethe I leaba hospital when Bobby Sands fó hauchan Armánach Hírón has agus rinne MP dó. Agus le prasan dawn ag féchant bhí a lán brú níis ar Margaret Thatcher cúig eileamh na Stokerí Akrish a chur a bhaim.
Political prisoner, 30,492.
Here you had someone who had been elected to the British Parliament who was in conflict with the British Prime Minister and appeared to be allowed to die by the Prime Minister. So in that sense there was tremendous pressure. I think also the fact that even someone like Mrs Thatcher acknowledged that you had to recognise the courage of those you're up against in the hunger strike even if you didn't agree with them, meant that they knew they were up against an enemy that was determined, that was resilient and that was willing to see it through. And I think after Sands, when you have Francie Hughes and you have McCreesh and O'Hara and MacDonald and the others, and they go on this grisly chain towards a fatal conclusion. And with sympathy internationally against Mrs Thatcher and in favour of Bobby Sands, I think the pressure on the British grew very strong.
Time has come to part my love, and I must go away. I'll leave you now, my darling girl. No longer can I stay?
Dakarin itaramaki elemarete nide anaitet Mambere khawanya otere anyina nyaduke
At carzone.ie, we think looking for a used car should be easy. With our unique new search engine, you don't even need to have a make or model in mind. Search under price range, fuel or body type, whatever you like, and find the car that's perfect for you. Easy. carzone.ie.
Cold water never hurt nobody. It's time to get in the pool. Cause you're going swimming, fool. Take that, told you about. I hate flying, so make this the last time I catch you crying. Snickers, get the nuts.
Scamol go brona, Christian cria fola. An grin golag briag, snasper he fui small. Nora hanig an fogra, darke pus dar skalu. For Bobby og bus, Gomak ma jinja march. Is mishnak an togar, a hen con chora.
Drastal níos mó na 100,000 duine Horror Bobby Sands. Bhí a bháis sna ceann lintí go hid an náisiúnta agus leacht neart rialtas fud an domhan seo.
Around an boss, och shaska
Tá leagan éimeann ó Fáigáin de Áran Bobby an leagan is cuachtaí dar thula mé riú. Bhfuil mé leis sa chultaláin bhathan na bháil chun níos mó áil amach faoin Áran seo.
Chatíí a bhfuil spéise go san Áran?
Just an scéal sin a scapú gur hála a lehéid in éireann agus go bhfuil sin a teitse amach a tíorthaí eile, go bhfuil daoine sásta seaasú ar principal nó go bhfuil siad sásta rudan seo a dhéanú ar son daoine eile. Is scéal simplí agus óran simplí atá fa daine a rugadh am fearste agus a ghlac páirt istrachailt de cinenne ligan.
Son sir se fódla is a chamrádi óga. For Bobby og bas gomak ma jinja march.
Bhí cuid de na hagóidí ba throm chúisís na sé chuntaí le feicil in dhé Horror Bobby Sands. Ach níos a túisgad a bháin a maithíthú an bula. Tháinig daoine le chéile a fud an domhan lena bharg a chur aniuil. Bhaile clé san áireamh nuair a rinne lucht a gáide iireacht ambasáid na Breataine insil. An bhaile clé an gáard ambasáid na Breataine bhfuil mé le córagraí Irish Times Jaglan de Bhredón.
A Jaglan, bhí agáid for éignach an seo má le clé in dhé bos Bobby Sands. Inistum faoi sin?
Se de bhí mé láthair an lá sin agus bhí slú mór taobh mo de ambasáid na Breataine an seo agus de rinne siad iireacht briseir isteach ach chur na Gardaí stop leis agus bhí an rac ann.
Bhí an takeíocht na stailcarí chomh láirde sin sa phoblacht gur tábhaigh Ciarán Doherty agus Paddy Agnew ina deachtaí dála in altáchain na bliana sin. Fuair Ciarán bás ní ba bhuiile inné 3 lá seachtal stailc acrais.
Do rinne cála hócaí a bhí ina híiseach ag an am iireacht an rud a réiteach agus ceapú dús go raibh an rud réitethe ach de hit an tóin as an iireach sin. Agus is cuimhnlam nuair a fuair Doherty bás stailc acrais go raibh an bhratach náisiúnta os cionn teach leinn leathfalún mar deirfá half-mast ina dhéag sin agus tuisgurt gur teachta dála de bhí ann.
As I walked o'er the glen Shin Pass, I held a younger more. The boy from Tamnaduff, she cried as 10 years dead and gone. How my heart is torn apart, this brave young man to lose. We'll never see the lights again of our brave Francis Hugh.
Bhí Lawrence McKeown stailc acrais a fá 7 lá go dtí gur chur a chlán a lá sa scéal. Bhfuil mé leis ag Soldiers Point I Gunta Lú.
Bhí tú stailc acrais thosaí tú mé dtí gachta hain.
Oes yn cyrd. Fi maniam sias fy cynnion stalc. Corw ffocol heg o'ch dynas na blocana a fi ar na bwj. Agus tarais an cacar ffor, basoil. Dyril om go mei me ar an stalc yn sin.
In San Gero, a rotu ray, I didn't the was hain all.
Well, fi me, min an tamar fad, fi tocos of it, go mei red shock on solid tu pas. Bit just go me into colag sin, ag fi me shock luck a magan, so taken to Nagwalalan on again sin, so heg me an stage in a romar, heg me grow orange, and kuig edge oil, heg me grow orange. Started correlation the cognac of feast na blocana, so I mentioned fi me soldier grow me a yard.
As his young life fell away, we helplessly looked on. On the 12th of May, the black flags lay in 1981. Keep mourning round Tamnaduff, no turn to burning pride, or he fought the very day, he fought as he died.
Fuair Janior far bás le linn na stailcan acrais, agus tá trúr a cúb cura an seo I relic baile an William. Chalach Bic McFarlane chulum o Bobby Sands mar Ciamafort na H. Blachara, agus chum sé áran specialta in a Gudni.
You wrote a song yourself there on the 10th anniversary of Bobby's, that song for Marcella.
Yeah.
Could you tell me a bit about that?
When it was coming to the 10th anniversary, there was a number of us who were in the H Block still at the time. And so we decided to have a bit of a pageant to commemorate and celebrate the lives of people, not just commemorate, but celebrate their lives. And then some of the lads decided, look, if we could make a cassette tape and smuggle it out, it would be a great tribute. And I decided to write a song for this project. So what we did was we played the music, we sang the song, and we recorded everything, and it ended up, it was smuggled out, and obviously there was a political furore about how this got out. But it was important for us to do that, and it was important for me to pen the words in memory of Bobby. Doesn't seem quite so long ago, the last time that I saw you. And ain't it funny how the memories grow? It seems they always fold around you. They tried to break you in a living hell, but they couldn't find a way. So they killed you in an H Block cell and
hoped that all would turn away. I thought your spirit wouldn't rise again, but you dared to prove them wrong.
Le linn tréimhse tragóideach na stailceanna achrais for níos mó ná 100 duine bás. Tá mór an féin scríofar agam ar an am. Leis an iarna a rá, bhí sé deachar a chumú, ach in éim agla bhilig, bhí sé a bhfad níos fusa a scríomh. Tásúla agam go dtugann sé níos mó fis ar an am sin. Seo mór an, agus buíochas le John Sherry as a bheith senim lom.
Grief like the growing vine comes over all of us in time, brings it all back to my mind, and all you left behind. If your back's against the wall, do you fight or do you crawl? Do you stand or do you fall? For some there is no choice at all. And I could see it in their eyes. It came as no surprise. Set in stone I'd recognize. This time there'd be no compromise. Disbelieving minds, uncomprehending times. We watch the days roll by and summer fade and die. Father, brother, lover, son, a mother cries for everyone. We look for sense of what's being done. Lift our faces to the sun. As one followed one after another, in solitude they suffered, brother after brother, that their voice would not be smothered. In spite of all that's been implied, no matter which your side, one thing can never be denied: the courage that they showed inside. But if your back's against the wall, do you fight or do you crawl? Make a stand or take a fall. Some men have no choice at all. Grief like a growing vine.
Big Darrow Canada agus Shronar down television show sport and Sahar TG Cahar and Negnavo Grisha.
Gran, it was just the best festival. We just danced in the mud. My clothes got totally ruined.
I went to a rock festival once. 67 Hendrix.
You at a rock fest?
We danced in the mud too, but my clothes weren't ruined.
How come, Gran?
We weren't wearing any.
Now that's a Maxwell House chat.
As we age, skin loses its plumpness and wrinkles appear deeper. It's all about bounce.
New Garnier Ultralift Pro X, enriched with patented Proxylane derived from beechwood extract.
For me, it's the best anti-wrinkle cream.
It plumps up the skin and wrinkles appear pushed up like this.
Plumper skin Wrinkles appear reduced.
New Garnier Ultralift Pro X.
Take care.
Garnier.
Nero Dini Ora had a winch in the more in your row horse the Gurn Air and a one a Harley and Cranacher Euro Millions plus Gach Shafton. Martian by Glunder Era Green nor a hlushy sheed go my Cranacher Brescia plus Gwyn Dehina on Fihu Law de Vorta. Movien to Portugal plus Querfer Husan Ora the Cranacher Brescia the Quids plus in a will or douche we Rahia the billion euro Rothis Gav that boots in no rights. Martian a winch in the heron Denegi Fui Goe Dehina on Fihu Law de Vorta the Euro Millions plus.
You can't get to the top without exercise and training. But none of that matters unless you're built on the right stuff. That's why I include Kellogg's Bran Flakes for breakfast. Packed full of fibre, it's good hearty stuff. Hey, it could help you too.
Oi! Hoi! Race ya!
On your bike. Are you built on Kellogg's Bran Flakes?
Diana mi Tarek Euro Millions the Shafton on Sir TG Cahar agus fe cool tradition naile hor kit the chug balloon agus fe euro a chanistidach dara o Canada agus an show sport.
Er a glár anocht be for a cahaf súl chun cín bhóta cehead an strana siúnta amána. Danach tí bhóta fáca be círa dhéanamh leis gon na tlathímóta cúig na stracha náisiúnta pelle. Agus, deir a seachna na cinúnaid fuir an rugar na héir an gháilte linn an bhfuil staibh sólás agus sír cháil an andóibh tres breis tí fehead bliain. Bailó dhearbh agus fáilte grín agrán is díanaíd an glár seo sport is cear an iscimet sa darach nédig san csiútsa I cíar a scialta agus a mechtaí sport an deir seachtaine agus an enach limannacht tá iarmhainisteoir amánach chorcaí Don Lo Grady an sainolaí rugby Seán O'Conneilla agus ar sainolaí ahananta héin Seán Bambrnach á fáilte roh tiú. Is Saradosní an chor is cútah trohána tá comórtas cad a hála gon díomh ríist an teachtainse agus deise gibh sige baile búrá gansaí a bhachtant a bhachas de Elvrís. Ní le déanamh chorálinn cad a hála nó cén tora a bhí ar a bísa áirithe seo.
Gary Pearce. Well, surprising he didn't go straight for touch. Whelan's charged down. Ray Gravel tied his up. Driven on by Graham Price. Wales 10-metre line. There for Robbie. Eludes the kick. Tony Ward. Back goes Gerald Williams. Up comes Gwyn Evans. That was a good dive to rescue. Ball has to be played, and it is. Ireland have it. Ward. Brilliant pick-up. Looks for the overlap. Nix could be on now. Pass to Irwin. Irwin with 2 men outside. Should surely have passed, but still kept going by McLennan.
Sineige bheith mar sin tící in rán na son abí nó sí clibbert de éireann kick amach an bhreacht bhig nó sí úd de éireann mahas. Agus a cad a hála ní le díanamh lagáilisteach le dragra ar tgcair.ie seo sport agus tá bhairt na seachna se caite fógatha ar sí chumá agus mar sin takes a soundsa le is féidir an focail sport chumá le dragra agus tainim a chuidir takes chuig cúige héan a hocht a ceir. Is seo hef sport na seachna stocha go bead na scialta mór na chluí canis na globa bhí gon demarse me cearn agus ní dócha go gúideach sé anúnta sa bhána le réana go móid partomna san na mánaíochtach go háide.
No, that are kind of feeling around. I thought she'd done in this far club, you know, in the around the hood. I guess Connick made initially a couple of blian. I guess smashing will flow, you know, on steel attack, on tactically, on Lewis.